Welcome to my little tutorial. Today we're gonna start with a plain circle and turn it into the cute head. This is a very beginner-friendly tutorial on how to draw a simple front view of the face. Tutorials should be easy to follow and I've kept it real time so you could draw with me. So let's start. When I draw a head, I start with a basic circle and I make a cross inside of it. I divide it into 4 parts, and this is actually our brow line. Also, we need to divide the circle here a bit, like chop a piece of it on top and chop a piece of it on bottom. These sizes should be equal, the same. And now let's pull down this line lower, and we need to mark the same size here. Yeah, like this. They're the same. So right now I'm using actually the rule of thirds. This isn't my invention. A lot of artists use this rule. It's called the rule of thirds because there are 3 parts here and they're all the same size. And all these lines mark the position of different elements on the face. This is gonna be our brow line. This is gonna be our nose line. This is gonna be our chin. And this one is hairline. Now we need to draw a couple of ovals here, like this, connecting these 2 dots. And here. Nice. And let's mark a center of each oval. And if we mark it lower, continue this line, this is gonna be our jawline, like this. And we connect it to the chin. Now let's mark all the elements. I'm usually marking the eyes like this. The nose will be like a triangular here. And to mark the mouth, we need to divide this into half. And the mouth will be located upper this line. This is like our mouth line. And we almost forgot about the ears. They are gonna be located in this part. Like this. Something like this. After that, I'm usually making this very sketch layer more transparent. Create a new layer on top and start a bit more clean sketch. So if this is our brow line, our brows are gonna locate it here. So let's just mark them. Something like this. And if the eyes are gonna start here, we need to divide this distance into 3 parts again. Something like this. So now actually we'll have an eye here, an eye here. And this distance is the same size as this distance and this one. Perfect. We have now eyes here. For the nose, it's very easy too. We have this triangular, and if we'll mark the same distance here, this is gonna be the size of our nose. Of course, it's not like the same. We are not the same people. We don't have all the same sizes, but this is like typical or average or something. I'm making this nostrils, this thing in center, and like this. Yes, 2 nostrils. Nice. And I also like to mark the bridge of the nose, just to make it kind of more cute. You're not always have to do that, it's just my thing. Feel free to take it if you like it. And the mouth, kind of divided in half. These are the corners. This will be the center. And connect them like this with one wavy line. And this is gonna be the upper lip. And the lower lip. Nice. And let's make this jawline a bit cleaner too. The ears. And the head. And for the head, I'm following these lines here, not the circle ones. maybe a bit wider, but just a bit. And you can also put like a little shadow here. Nice. But for me, this clearly doesn't have any character. This is clearly not finished. So what I do usually, I turn off this layer with a very sketchy sketch and I lower the opacity on this less sketchy but still sketch layer. Create a new layer on top, and this is gonna be our like final sketch. And the eyes are gonna have something like this shape. Yes. Here is the corner of our eye. And let's mark the upper lid and the lower lid. Let's render the eyebrow a bit. Second one too. The second eye. I also like to make the nose a bit smaller, so I think I'm gonna do that too here. And kind of mark the tip of the nose a bit, like this, the lips. And these are the ears. I want to make a jawline a bit softer, so I'm gonna cut this corner. I'm turning off the sketch layer again. And to make it a bit more like my style, I want to make the nose a bit smaller. Yes, like this. Nice. I also like to mark this line here. And mark the cheekbones. Like this. And here. Like this. And here. These lines actually help you to understand where the shadows should be. So let's put some shadows on top. To put the shadows, I would put them here, here, in these corners, here, on this upper lip, a bit under the nose, and under the cheekbones. Like this. And inside of ears a bit. And to make it fully in my style, to show you how I usually work till the end, I would put some makeup, eyelashes. Look how they come not from here, but they have some space between the eye. They go here. And on the upper lid, a bit of eyelashes. Yes, nice. Maybe some freckles. Even more shadow here, like this. And of course, the eyeballs. Something like this. You don't need to draw the whole circle. It's gonna look creepy. They also may look a bit creepy, but also cute at the same time. If you will make them bigger, it looks a bit more like anime. Like, yes, this one's a bit realistic. And this one. It's gonna look a bit more cute. Choose your fighter wisely, depending on your goal. I'm gonna make a bit more realistic style, just a bit. I tend to draw everything on different layers because now the eyes are on different layer and I can pull it a bit up and see how it looks, and I think it's better. And here we have the hat. Now if we turn on back the very first layer, this creepy one, we will find the hairline. And it's actually gonna look something like this. So if you'll want to draw the hair, you will just need to draw this hairline and start putting any haircut you like, any hair design. And it's gonna look great. I tend to put hair much higher than the actual head, like there's a lot of volume there. But this is actually all. You have your beautiful hat, now you can do whatever you want with it. And the neck, I usually make it something like this. With a bit of a shadow too. Hope you've enjoyed this little tiny tutorial of this hat. And in the end, I think I just wanted to finish this character. Somehow all of my tutorials with poses and now faces have this kind of like demon vibe. I've decided that I'm gonna turn this character into like cute demon again. So as you can see, I'm adding extra volume to the hair because adding volume to the hair makes the head bigger and it makes the character look more cute. So yeah, I guess that's all. If you want to add the whole body to your new cute hat, I have a tutorial on how to draw a body. It will be somewhere here. And this is actually first part of my 1-hour tutorial on how to draw a human face and head from different angles, which is available on my Patreon. So I hope you'll find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day and I'll see you soon. Bye!